Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get to Anaconda Island in Green Hell. First, begin your adventure from the fishing dock or the initial main camp. From there, you'll want to head directly north, carefully following the winding river upstream. Pay close attention to your surroundings and any distinct landmarks you encounter along the riverbank. This initial trek sets the stage for reaching your destination safely and efficiently. As you continue your journey, maintain your path along the river, ideally sticking to the eastern bank for easier navigation. You'll soon come across a prominent waterfall on your left-hand side, a clear indicator of your progress. Shortly after, search for a natural crossing point, such as a sturdy fallen log or a small makeshift bridge, to safely traverse the river to the other side. This crossing is crucial for the next leg of your trip. Once you've successfully crossed the river, make a right turn and proceed along the newly accessible path. Keep your eyes peeled, as you will soon discover a very large and distinctive rope bridge. This impressive structure stretches across a considerable gap, offering a clear passage over the flowing river below. Reaching this bridge signifies you are very close to your final destination, so keep moving forward. With the rope bridge now in sight, carefully make your way across to the opposite bank. Once you've safely traversed the bridge, the Anaconda Island camp, also known as A-2, will be directly in front of you. This well-established camp offers essential shelter, a safe place to rest, and a variety of valuable resources to aid your survival in the challenging environment. Congratulations on reaching your destination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.